Example, find the area of the region bounded by f of x equals x squared minus 1 and g of x equals negative 1/2 x minus 3 on the closed interval from negative 1 to 2. To find the area of this region, we first sketch the graphs of the two functions on one xy plane. F of x is an upward-facing parabola with a y-intercept at negative 1, and g of x is a line with slope negative 1/2 and y-intercept at negative 3. These graphs do not intersect. We are solving for the area of the region between the two graphs bounded by x equals negative 1 and x equals 2. Notice the shaded region. We set up the integral as the integral from negative 1 to 2 of the top function, which is the parabola f of x, minus the bottom function, which is the line g of x dx. Write the integral again as the integral from negative 1 to 2, and where f of x was, we put in x squared minus 1, minus where g of x was, we put in negative 1/2 x minus 3 dx. Let's distribute the minus. You get the integral from negative 1 to 2 of x squared minus 1 minus negative 1/2 x becomes plus 1/2 x, and minus negative 3 becomes plus 3 dx. We combine like terms from negative 1 to 2 of x squared plus 1/2 x plus the negative 1 plus 3 is 2 dx. Now we are ready to find the integral. We will use the power rule for integration, starting with x squared, that's 1/3 x cubed, plus, and then the integral of 1/2 x would be 1/4 x squared, plus the integral of 2 is 2x, and we evaluate from negative 1 to 2. To evaluate, we put in 2 every place there is an x. So first, 1/3, 2 cubed, plus 1/4, 2 squared, plus 2 times 2. And now we also subtract that same expression but evaluate it at negative 1. That would be minus 1/3 times negative 1 cubed plus 1/4 times negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1. The rest is arithmetic. For the values in the first bracket, we get 8/3 plus 1 plus 4. For the values in the second bracket, you've got the minus and the negative 1/3 plus 1/4 minus 2. The final answer, starting with the first bracket, 8/3 plus 1 plus 4 is 23/3. For the second one, you're going to get minus negative 25/12. Let's get a common denominator. So 92/12 minus negative 25/12. And that takes us to 117/12, which reduces to 39/4 for the area.